My name's Cressida Bacon and I'm the school business manager here. We went with A&S Landscape because we thought that the quality of their product was really good. It gave us exactly what we wanted and it was good value for money. They've been really supportive and were very good at returning calls and providing information when we needed it. And then when it came to construction, the guys were just really helpful and did a really good job. The children love the Canopy. They were really surprised to see it in the first place, and they just think it's great to play under and work under. We've used it as an outdoor stage area so that our students and parents could watch a play in the outdoors, but also if it rained it didn't really matter. During the hot weather, the teachers really enjoyed bringing out their small groups to work in the shade, and during break times the children love it because they can congregate underneath, and if there's a little bit of rain in the air it doesn't matter anymore. I would definitely recommend A&S Landscape to other schools.